we have addition integers. In the first example, we have 102 plus 98. And 102 plus 98 is 200. Next example, now we have two negative integers, both negative. So we copy negative sign and we have to add numbers 450 and 4100. So this is equal, negative sign we copy, and 4100 plus 450 is 4100 plus 400, so it will be 550. We rewrite. Next example, now we have to add two negative variables. We have negative a plus negative 2a. Both expressions are negative, so we copy negative sign like always, and now we have to just add a plus 2a. Negative sign we rewrite, and when we don't have any integer before, any number before variable, it always is like 1. So we have just 1 plus 2, so this is 3, and we copy variable a. So negative a plus negative 2a is negative 3a. One more time. We copy negative sign because both expressions are negative, and we just add expression a plus 2a. When we don't have any number before variable, is always invisible 1. So we have 1 plus 2 is 3, and we copy a. This is my solution.